Unlocking the Mystery of Guitar Strings. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of music and English language learning, understanding the guitar string order. Whether you're a budding guitarist or simply curious about musical instruments, this video will demystify the arrangement of guitar strings and why it matters. So, let's tune in and discover the harmony behind the strings. The guitar string order refers to the sequence and tuning of the strings on a guitar. Guitars typically have 6 strings, and each string has a specific pitch. From the lowest, thickest string to the highest, thinnest string, the standard order is E-A-D-G-B-E. This sequence is crucial for playing chords, scales, and melodies correctly. Understanding the string order is fundamental for any guitarist. It affects how you tune your guitar, learn chords, and read tablature or sheet music. Knowing the order by heart will make your practice sessions more efficient and enjoyable. It's like learning the alphabet before diving into writing and reading. One effective way to memorize the guitar string order is through mnemonics. A popular phrase to remember is, "Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie," with each word's initial matching the first letter of each string in order. Mnemonics add a fun twist to learning and can help you recall the order quickly, even under pressure. Tune regularly. Practice tuning your guitar to get familiar with the sound of each string. Visual aids. Use diagrams or stickers on your guitar as a temporary guide. Practice. Incorporate string names into your practice routine, such as saying them out loud as you tune or play. And that wraps up our exploration of the guitar string order. Remember, like learning a new language, mastering the guitar takes time, patience, and practice. We hope this video has shed some light on the structure of guitar strings and inspires you to pick up your guitar with confidence. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be playing your favorite songs with ease. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.